Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so live captures work reliably. Open the camera app, select photo mode, and tap the settings icon. This opens capture options. If you see motion photo or live photo, turn it on. This records a short clip with each shot. If not present, install a compatible camera app like Google Camera and give it camera and storage permissions. Also, free at least 3 GB. Low storage can prevent motion files from saving properly, so clear space now. Now you'll capture and confirm the live effect. Frame your subject, then tap the shutter normally. The camera records a quick motion clip automatically. On some apps, press and hold shutter for a slightly longer capture. Once done, tap the thumbnail to open the gallery and press play to preview the motion. Make sure you used a steady grip or tripod to avoid blur, and enable HDR or AI scene for high-contrast scenes. This preserves details in both motion and photo frames. Finish by saving and sharing the live file correctly. In Gallery, choose Export or Share, then pick GIF or MP4 to preserve motion for social apps. Some apps accept live formats directly. If captures fail to save, turn off power saving, reboot the phone, and retry. Make sure camera app data isn't corrupted, clear its cache, or reset app data if needed. Finally, confirm permissions, update system firmware, or reinstall the camera app to resolve persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.